Got my support and resistance drawn here on Vlon. And we're going to see what it does market open. I'm kind of unbiased. If it comes down, I want to micro scalp it at support. Probably do like 70 shares of this. Got about a minute and a half till the open. Yeah, yesterday was a little bit rough. Took a bigger loss than expected on Mullen, but controlled loss. I did not reach my max daily loss. So I'm glad about that. I know you guys might be like, "Oh, well, it's starting to move here. Why aren't you taking it?" It's not time yet. My session is from 8:30 to 9. I don't want to go beyond the session rules. I did that yesterday, and I got a little bit too excited and jumped in before the session, and it burned me. So I'm gonna try and not do that anymore. Stick to the session. I want to be as consistent as possible, so that way we can adjust from the consistency. So here we go. We got about 20 seconds till the open. There's the open. Taking some there. Didn't get filled. I'm gonna cancel the order. I think he's having a hard time coming back down. I'm gonna try and take that there at 249. I'm out there. So I'm really gonna try and focus this session on micro scalping. That seems like what I do the best. So I'm gonna try and really take small gains, small gains, small gains. We're at the inflection right now. I want to see if it holds or what it does. Looks like it's rejecting. So I'm no longer gonna take any trades until the support. I had enough volume there to break out of the inflection, but since it did reject off the inflection there, I don't want to I don't want to expect breakout. I think it's definitely going to come back down to support. Try and grab it there at 254 on just for the inflection jump and get it off at 257. Got that. Not sure how it's going to retest the inflection right now, and I know that very strong support right now is that next support line, so it might come down to there. And I don't want to test the inflection now. It's almost, it did that already. The buyers that were there, they bought and then they sold. So I'm thinking there's might not be many buyers left. There's gonna be buyers lower now. So we're gonna wait. Just kind of take it as it's going down to support. A lot of people are gonna buy before support and all that stuff. So I take it 244 or something like that. Yeah, it's starting to get buyers, so 244 probably gonna be a really really nice chance of it to bounce up. I'm actually gonna grab that there at 249. Trying to take it there at 252. Grabbed it. Taking it again at 249. This time selling at 253. It's back at the inflection. I want to see if it rejects what it's doing. If it's gonna hold this candle, then I'm gonna actually buy again. See if it holds. It's holding. I'm back in. 255. Trying to take some there at 257, and I'm out. Let it come back down inflection real quick. In there at 250. What is it? Gonna get 252. Got filled at 252. Didn't do what I wanted to do there as much, so I'm actually gonna wait after I finish this order. I'm gonna wait and I might see what the next candle does. It didn't really reject too nicely off inflection there. I'm gonna wait now. Taking it there at 254. We are halfway to our daily goal right now by micro scalping. I love it. This is definitely what I'm good at. I'm only 6 minutes in. So it looks to be holding the inflection. I'm actually gonna grab it there at 254. Oh, rejection there up the inflection, going down to support. Got rejection off support. Hmm. We're at support and the 25. We should see some hard bounce, and if there's not, I'm gonna get out immediately. Yep, there's a nice bounce. 51, 283, 254. Grabbing it at 255 just because I was at that bad risk to reward. So I want to get out as fast as I can. And we'll wait for a better entry now. Since we had that hard bounce, it's going right back up to resistance. I don't expect it to hold very long unless this is a start to a very bullish run. Might grab it at the inflection. Like 254 again. Wow, just blasting up. If it breaks 268, I might want to take a quick one. Trying there. Oh, got for 258. 859, 60. I'm actually gonna grab it at 260. See if it breaks. Want to break 268. It starts getting close. We got a lot of volume there on that green candle, but we're at resistance, so I don't want to. I want to be careful here. 7. Oh, 268. Yeah, sorry, 268. 257. It's rejecting higher. I'm gonna grab that there at 259. That 260 now. Come back down to inflection. Yeah, it probably would have been a better trade if I grabbed that inflection. That would have been better. Try and get out as quickly as I can again. Nice rejection, so I'm glad about that. I almost got out there for a slightly larger loss. Come back down again. It's getting rejected again. So I might push it pretty high. Oh, it takes it down to the 25. Is there a bounce? No bounce. That's rough. A lot of sell volume there. Alright, my mom just called me. It was her birthday, so I wished her happy birthday. I gave her a call earlier, but she didn't answer, so just called me back. Anyways, a little sad I got caught at resistance there. I was expecting breakout, which seems like the normal deal for me right now. So I need to not buy the breakout. Seems like That's actually a little bit harder for me right now than just buying at support, selling at resistance. So this thing ends up making new lows, I'm not gonna hold it. I'm gonna accept a loss. But since we're at support, I want to see the bounce, you know. So that was definitely a bad risk to reward there. I really wish I didn't take that trade because I probably messed up the entire day's profit. So really hoping I did not, and it comes back. You know, I'll have to face it and cut it if it breaks that low there. Uh, Out. Oh, that hurts, but that's okay. That's okay. All right. Right inflection on this. If you might be able to grab that there, 224. Hard time here. Uh, Choosing not to. Man, everything was great right at the open, and then I just messed it up. Pretty upset about that, but we got to keep going. Take the next trade. We give it a little bit longer. Thank God I made as much as I did, otherwise I probably would have been at max loss right now. But I made a good amount in that whole micro scalping session, so I did pretty well there. That's a big drop. We bought up here and then sold it like here. That's a big difference for a scalp. Just gonna hold this one into the resistance there. Taking that. And we got about 8 minutes left. Let's see if we can get some good scalps. Anything else that's moving? And again at 226. Going for the double bottom, looks like. Nice volume there. Gonna take it there at 229. Got it. Back in at 226. We get out around right above 30, 230, something like that. Got about 3 minutes left. Reason why I want it at 230 is because that 25 is curling down, but I think it's gonna break it and shoot at past it. Holding. About 2 minutes left. Shit. We're at max loss right now. Yeah, I'm over. I'm a little bit over max loss right now. Okay, that's it then. That sucks. No session two. Well, that's all right. Things I did well, I micro scalped and I only traded at the well, I micro scalped. Things I did wrong was I kept trying to micro scalp when volume was decreasing. Looks like I need to be micro scalping at the very, very most volatile times of the day. Um, it's gonna be my best bet, it seems like. And then, so even reducing the reducing the session period might be even better. But I'm not sure. It honestly depends on the stock, because if a stock is because if a stock is moving, that could definitely be a problem for time. So, anyways, looks like I need to stick to microscoping at higher volume periods of time. That seems like when I'm most profitable. When the volume a little bit dies, it's not really probably the best time to be doing that. So, anyways, I want to say good work, but we're over max loss, so no, not good work. Bad work today. Other than the morning. Morning was nice. I mean, sorry, the start of the session was nice because we're still in the morning. Other than that, thanks for watching. Peace out.